This nail looks beyond saving, but I'm about to bring it back to life. A deep horizontal crack like this is tricky because the broken piece no longer lines up with the rest of the nail. A silk wrap is not gonna work here. But before you grab the clippers, let me show you a better way. With nail forms and soft builder gel, I'll rebuild this nail so seamlessly, you won't even be able to tell it was ever broken. Let's do this. First things first, I've already pushed back my cuticles and trimmed off the excess. Now it's time to prep the nail. Before applying any gel, I need to buff the nail to remove all the shine. This creates etch marks so the gel has something to grip onto. Now that the nail is fully etched, I'm wiping the surface with 100% alcohol on a lint-free wipe. This removes any dust and oils, ensuring the best adhesion for the builder gel. I love working with these wipes because they don't leave behind those annoying pieces of lint. I'll link them in the description below. You can really see the problem here. The cracked piece is no longer lining up with the rest of my nail. It's actually curving now, which makes it impossible to reattach with a silk wrap. If I tried, it wouldn't sit flat and the repair won't hold together properly. So instead, I'm carefully trimming off the broken piece. This might look like I'm making the damage worse, but don't worry. I'll be patching the spot up with builder gel in a sec. Now I'm applying a nail form. First, I peel it off the backing and cut open the back with scissors. This makes it much easier to apply, especially when I'm working on myself. To shape it, I roll the form to add a natural curve and pinch the tip closed. This little prep step makes a huge difference in getting a snug fit. It also helps create nail extensions with a more natural curve. Now I'm placing it on my nail to test the fit. It's close, but I can make it better. So I'm trimming the form slightly for a perfect match. The form needs to sit right under the free edge, just like a bridge, so I can build up the nail above. There shouldn't be any gaps or holes, and if there are, the gel will fall right through. Now I'm using my secret combo of nail prep products that make my nails last. First up is OPI Bond-Aid. I'm applying that all over my nail. This helps dehydrate the surface, removing any moisture or oils that could cause lifting. Once that's absorbed, I'm going in with Protein Bond by Young Nails. This acts like double-sided tape for the gel, giving it a super strong grip. I absolutely can't do nails without this combo. It makes such a difference in wear time. Now it's time for a base coat. You guys know I love using X-Bond Bonding Gel by Akzentz. It's my go-to for a strong foundation. I'm applying a thin, even layer, making sure the entire nail plate is covered. This step is key for adhesion and helps the builder gel stay put. Today, I'm building the free edge back with the Soft Gel Builder by Akzentz in the shade Porcelain. It's a milky white that blends perfectly with my natural nails and gives a really seamless look. Since the area I'm repairing is pretty small, I'm using a smaller brush for more precision. I'm carefully applying the builder gel over the missing area to rebuild the nail. Be sure to apply some gel in the surrounding areas too, so everything blends in seamlessly. This ensures that the repair looks natural and cohesive with the rest of the nail. I'm following the natural shape of the nail as I apply the builder gel. If I go over a little, that's totally okay. I'll be filing and shaping the nail later on, so don't worry about perfection right now. I'm happy with how that looks, so I'm going to cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next, I'm applying a clear builder gel over the entire nail. This is the same gel I used for the tip, but in clear this time. I'm doing this to build up strength and ensure the nail is solid all over. When you're doing a gel overlay, it's super important to check your nail from every angle. You want to make sure the gel is thinner on the outer edges and thicker in the center. The thicker part in the center is called the apex. This is the highest point of the nail and it's what gives the nail strength and structure. The apex is key for preventing breakage if the nail faces any impact. Some people like to call this type of soft gel builder in a bottle, and for good reason. It's super easy to work with, especially for beginners because it self-levels. That means it smooths itself out without much effort from you. The only thing to watch out for is that it can be a bit runny, especially when it's warm. If you're not quick enough, the gel can run into your cuticles or cause the apex to shift around. Just keep an eye on it and work quickly to get the perfect shape. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how everything looks, so now I'm going to cure this layer. I'm popping my nail under the LED lamp for 30 seconds to lock it in place. The gel is all cured and here's what it looks like. Now for my favorite part, removing the nail form. It's so satisfying seeing the repaired nail revealed. Next, I'm wiping off the sticky layer with alcohol on a lint-free wipe so it's ready for the next step. Now it's time to perfect the shape. I'm filing the free edge to smooth everything out and refining the shape. Once you're happy with how the nail looks, you can go ahead and apply gel polish as usual. I'm going to leave my nail as is because I love how it looks like my natural nail. Always finish your manicure with cuticle oil to rehydrate and keep your nails healthy. And that's it! I hope this video helped you fix your nails, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video useful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!